what's up, people? I'm on a road trip. Fucking Hurricane Irma got me heading north. So I don't know, first go to Orlando, and from there I'll check out the news and see how bad Irma is gonna dig into South Miami, and that's where I'm from, South Miami. So this is like a back road north. I don't even know the name of this road, to be honest with you. It looks like I'm in the boondocks or something, right? There's like no place to buy a beer anywhere, and a lot of land. So I'm contemplating, and I was contemplating putting a supercharger on this Highway Forever project that I'm working on. I've been working on now for, I don't know, almost 2 years. A lot of blood, sweat, patience, beer, money, and I'm happy with it. So thanks to YouTube, though, there's this guy that had a supercharger put on his same type of truck. He had like somewhere in between 98 and a half to 2002 5.9 diesel, and he was driving around for like 10 minutes, and that whining from the supercharger, man, just watching the video alone was driving me cuckoo. I said, nah, I don't think I can do this constantly. You know, if it was like a hell charger where you just barely drive the car, you don't hear that whining noise when you get down on it, you hear it, that is cool. But to hear that whining noise constantly, I changed my mind. So I opted for nitrous oxide. And you know, I got the nitrous oxide kit. I got a couple bottles. I haven't decided where I'm going to mount the bottles yet, so I'm in decision. But as soon as I do, I hope to do a video on how I install the solenoids and everything, and the purge. I'm going to have one purge, but it's going to be split, so it's going to shoot off like a V. And I'm going to have to put my nitrous oxide button somewhere. I'll see if I'm putting like the purge here and the nitrous there. And still, you got to think about this stuff, because once you start putting holes in it, then you put it in, you say you're not happy with it, then you say, oh, I should have thought about it longer. So I'll keep everybody up to date. I'll be back in Miami soon. All right, guys, be cool, take it easy.